Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So on this AUD USD, we've actually made this movement, which we've actually been talking about. We can see that this bullish move have already been made. So anytime soon, probably January, we should be expecting this sell. A massive sell is coming by next month. But before that massive sell will come, let's see if we are likely to hit a level of 0.689. You can see this level. Let's see if we can likely hit it. There's a possibility we would hit it. So if AUD USD manages to hit this level of 0.86 and 0.689, if AUD USD will go up, hit a level of 0.689, then expect that massive sell. Then there will be a massive sell. Like I said, there's going to be a massive sell coming on AUD USD. It's either we start having a sell from here, which I don't think so, or we are likely to see it push up to a level of 0.68935. Then the sell should start playing out. So anytime so the sell will come out. So watch out. But right now, market is still going up. So let's see it continue to go up. So guys, also have it in mind that this week might not be much volatility because of the Christmas. We have bank holiday on Monday. We also have bank holiday on Tuesday, and there might not be much volatility this week. So keep your eye on it. AUD USD, if sell will be coming anytime soon.